I've got a huge announcement. Stay tuned. Hi travelers! I am so excited that you are here today on the Traveling Cheesehead. I've got a big announcement. I am starting a new series called Explore Next Door. As you know, on this channel, we cover everything travel related. Travel vlogs, planning, tips, reviews and recommendations for destinations around the world. Given where I currently live, I thought what a great idea to do something on Virginia Beach. We moved here at the beginning of April from Northern Virginia, and I've been slowly exploring the neighborhoods surrounding the oceanfront, trying to discover those less known places that maybe if you're a tourist coming to this area, you may not even know exist, but you shouldn't miss them. Virginia Beach has so much to offer that I've found out so far, and this is during a summer where we have COVID going on and a lot of stuff is shut down, and there's still a ton to go see and do. So hang along with me. I'm going to take you around my neighborhood, show you what there is to do and see that's not too far, just a hop, skip, and a jump away from the ocean front, so you can go explore a little bit more of the local scene here in Virginia Beach. I will come out with a new video once a month highlighting different areas of the city and different areas for you to explore. We'll do outdoor venues, indoor venues, family events, as well as just solo ventures. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I would love you to join me on this adventure when we go and explore next door. See you soon.